Hey guys, here we have a 100 original after oiling it. I did 2 quarts of oil. Sorry, I had to put my clothes in the dryer. Um, Still dirty. Got the, 100 logo on it. Manufacturer 1992. Focus. It's got the American-made style motor, so you can see through the ceiling. See the harder thing in the bottom. I know Low Tug, who repairs a portable Lakewood fan, more likely. He has one of these, but he got replacement arms because the other ones broke and it wobbles badly. Yes, so here is Low. Yeah, here is low speed. It's not quite fast. It's come a little bit faster. It's slow low speed. Nice low speed, but it's fast and high. Sorry, just made a mistake right there. Got for like a bad capacitor fan. Here's medium. Make sure it's great. Gotta be careful with these fans because I don't know how about the Chinese made ones, the newer ones, but they can be hard. Sometimes they can be hard. Here's medium. Here's high. It does not make any noise anymore. I should show you the oil that I got. Here is the oil. This fan. I can't use WD-40 because that can clog it up. Here is high. I guess they never oiled this fan when they put it up. Which they should have done. Spin down. Still taking a while to spin down. Put oil on this thing. Now let's reverse it. Lower. Still going all through a long spin down time. Here's low. Just give it a push. Here's medium. This is what happens if the oil just sits there. Just makes scraping noises after a while. which what Fanimation has some originals. You know, the sailcloth original is one of them, and the oil has been sitting in it and it's stalled out on low, and it needed some oil, and it made some scraping noises too. And now everything's powered at Fanimation. And they added oil, all the originals, including the 2nd century, 1930s, the classic fans, and the ornate original. Hair's medium, is high. And here's off. Or I forgot to do an airflow test. Back to high. So yeah, speed. Plus that's a 0 to high. Feel some air back here. It's more than without the oil. Scraping noises. Then startup sound. I don't care if it's the dryer. Closing in the dryer. You must put your headphones on for this. Startup sounds really cool. Thanks for watching.